the question, yeah, from this video as well. They can click the answer. This is the question. I ask them what part of vegetable that we can eat, and student can select the answer and check the answer. They can learn by themselves, and the student can see the area in my garden before they come, and when they come they can see the local people and generate the question, the problem together and try to find the answer together with scientific method. And this part I give them plastic bottle, and some of them bring plastic bottle with their family to create some vegetable pot. Yeah, and after that, after they create vegetable pot, I gave them vegetable seed, yeah, that they like to eat and plant together when they go back. And this is about the leaf pad that make from the special instrument in my garden. They can use this kind of pad that make from the bamboo leaf and also the lotus leaf as well uh to be like the pot to for plant the vegetable. You can see this machine in this picture, and this boy try to create their own pot like this. Is like a environmental friendly for them. Yeah, and when they go back, they collect the data, jot down which formula is the best one to make the vegetable go fast. Yeah, measure the length of the vegetable. Yeah, and share together. Yeah, and they try to conclude the data together, and finally they create the menu from the vegetable that they plant, they grow and eat with their family. That is about planting vegetable project that I try to develop with my colleague. And the principle behind this project is come from citizen inquiry, circular economy, and STEM education. Okay, that is my idea that I would like to share to you today. If you want more information, please let me know. And if you need me to clarify in some point, please let me know as well. You can try in the chat box or open your microphone to ask me directly. And before we end of this section, my PhD student Thanawat Ngaoda, he would like to share some experience about the project to all of you. Okay, Sam, please tell them about your experience, please.
Hello.
Okay, I hear you clearly.
Okay, everybody can hear me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I'm a PhD student, and Professor Dr. Sasithep Pitiporn is my advisor.
Mm-hmm.
And I had ever been to บ้านสวนอาจารย์พีท to อาจารย์พีท garden. I saw many activity in the garden. It is a garden in the urban side of Bangkok. Near around the garden is the building, the high building that train electric train like this. But this area is only like the forest, and there are many plants and water canal like this in that area. And Professor Pete designed that area to be the zone of activity to develop the people, especially students from K to university students, to learn and gain the, it's like inquiry, citizen inquiry, as the first word that we hear from today, right? The activity, for example, STEM activity, how to uh, produce the electric current from the bicycle like this, how to plant the vegetable, and how to make a plate by the plant leaf like this. And many people, especially the child who came to บ้านสวนอาจารย์พีท will learn many skill and got many knowledge from the activity, come back to their home and share the knowledge and idea to uh, the friend to their friend in their area home like this. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much, Thanawat, to share your idea. Okay, right now, the last thing that I would like to show you is about my Facebook fan page. We call บ้านสวนอาจารย์พีท From this page of Facebook, you can see the activity that I did in my garden. This is about the picture of young students in elementary one to create water dumping system. They try to apply their knowledge about scientific knowledge to create some innovation to help the gardener to plant the vegetable in my garden. And this example of the page that they can use for planting some vegetable. Yeah, they make it by themselves. The question come from their 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 observation, and this is about the session. They can learn how to make the organic fertilizer, and they can think about the formula to make the vegetable grow fast. Yeah, they put some ingredient or some thing together to create formula, and they observe some pest, some insect in my garden as well. Yeah, that is a kind of activity of citizen inquiry in my garden. Yeah, I hope one day you can visit my garden and you see after that they can jot down what they learn, what they uh, want to know. Yeah, and share idea together at the end of the day. Yeah, before they go back to their school. Yeah, and also we also ask them to work, uh, and I also create some activity not only for the student, for the teacher as well, to act like the young scientist. Local people act like a scientist to collect some data. Yeah, that is about the activity that I did in my garden. Okay, right now, feel free to share some idea from your opinion about citizen inquiry, please.
Thank you very much, Dr.
Okay.
for your informative and thought-provoking presentation. Sir Alvin, is there something you want to ask more?
You know, the question that I asked you at the beginning of my presentation, what is the citizen inquiry? And some of you said that citizen inquiry is the process of collecting the data and find some new knowledge. You know, the important term is about the public engagement. Yeah, public engagement is very important. Local people, young students in the local area can act like scientists to collect the data. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for the one who answered me at the beginning. Right now, you know the answer clearly, right?
Once again, thank you, Dr. Peter.
Mm-hmm.
We will now take a short break. Kindly be back by 3:30 as we proceed with our final speaker for today.
Thank you, Dr. Peter.
Okay. Thank you.
Ay, ma'am, connection ko. Okay, they have some questions from here on the on-site regarding with the discussion of regarding with the discussion the lecture of Professor Sensitivity for Tapin. Yes, Sir Aldwin.
Good afternoon, Dr. Sasikip.
Good
My
afternoon.
question is, how can citizen inquiry in TVET help students connect their technical vocational skills with scientific knowledge to make meaningful contribution to the sustainable development goals?
Right now, certain SDG goal, certain development goal also focus on the human as well, and to create the equality of the education. So I think citizen inquiry is not only done in university or in the school. Yeah, but local people can help together to create some new knowledge. That what the first point that they can link with SDG. And for vocational technology, education technology, you see in some part we try to use some technology to help the local people to collect some data or record something that they observe, something like that. That's what I think. And from that knowledge can create some innovation, create some new knowledge. And for example, for my project, it can be served with reduce the hunger, right? SDG 2, something like that. Yeah, that's what I think. Mhm. Okay, maybe you can try to use
Thank you so much,
second
sir. Is there any queries?
Hello.
How about from the online?
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
May I add with that question a while ago? In what way could citizen science, could the TVET faculty member use the citizen science concept? Actually, TVET is also science.
Mhm.
The deep concept of TVET, for example, food or nutrition, it involves science. As emphasized by Dr. Pitel a while ago, the engagement of citizens in collecting data for citizen science. Like, for example, you may want to think about a project, no? A project for food innovation. So in a food innovation, you may want to collect data on what community are innovating or recipes. No? So you may want to collect those, or for example, in agriculture, the crops, how do we manage the crop in each maybe town. So maybe using those local crops, what are the things that they use for fertilizer and all those things, and then they will try to collect data, and then they compare data. So maybe citizen science, you may want to explore, there will be collaboration of researchers and then adding to that data. But I guess, Dr. Peter, the challenge of citizen science in involving citizens is how to collect high quality data.
Yeah. Okay, you see, we try to create some recipe from my garden. Yeah, that we don't have ever know before. So it's some kind of scientific process to create some new idea and can lead to create some innovation like a food innovation, new recipe, something like that. That is the process of citizen inquiry that can apply in the TVET, right? TVET.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much, Ma'am Ami, to clarify of all these things.
Is there anything more to ask question while Sir Piti Portapin is here? How about from the UTHN? Okay, since none, thank you, sir, and everyone for the insightful questions and answer. So now we'll take a short 15 minutes break. Sir, mag-present. Sir, last naman. Please.
Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is proudly presented to Dr. Sasiti Pidiporntapin in sincere appreciation and recognition of your valuable contribution as a resource speaker in the Future Ready Pedagogies Advancing TVET through Technology and Innovation Program, organized collaboratively by College of Education at the Mindanao State University, Iligan Institute of Technology, MSU IIT Philippines, and Faculty of Technical and Vocational Education, University Tun Hussein, on Malaysia, UTHM, held on 29th day of November 2025 through hybrid mode for sharing of knowledge, expertise, and inspiring insights, which have greatly enriched the program and contributed to all success presented this 29th day of November 2025. Signed, Professor Pamela A. Resurrection, PhD, Vice Chancellor for Academic Affairs, MSU IIT, and Professor Dr. Sharudin bin Mazan Muzin, Academic and International Affairs Deputy Vice Chancellor, UTHM.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Dr. Sasiti Pidiporntapin. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, and have a good afternoon, and hope to see you again. Bye bye. สวัสดีครับ
We will now take a short 15 minutes break and we'll be back by 3:30 p.m. as we proceed with our final speaker for today. Thank you. Wala na siya.